Hello everyone, this is Chef James at Cultre Brewery and Grill. I'm here with Sustained Ed Farms and here to provide you with a recipe for bruschetta. I was given some following ingredients of butternut squash, arugula, and Parmesan cheese and cherry tomatoes for this recipe, and I'll guide you through this. First, set your oven to 425 degrees. Peel and cut your squash into bite-sized pieces or smaller. Toss in a bowl with some olive oil, salt, and pepper. Also, this would be a great appetizer for a pasta dish with the leftover ingredients that you have in the box. And put that into the oven for about 20-25 minutes. But check the oven every 10 minutes, make sure that the butternut squash is cooking the way you like it. The last 10 minutes of that, toss in your cherry tomatoes so they can cook down and be nice and flavorful. Then take your bread, cut it to any angle you would like, or even a straight cut. So as a chef, I like to use locally sourced products, such as the fresh produce and products that I've gotten for this recipe from Sustained Ed Farms. Brush on some olive oil and place into the oven the last 10 minutes while your squash and tomatoes are cooking. Check on your bread, make sure you don't burn that. Once the bread is taken out of the oven, take your garlic clove and spread the garlic onto the bread and a nice garlic flavor. Once the squash and tomatoes are ready, pull it out of the oven. Make sure you do not burn yourself, like I've done many times. Prep your arugula by zesting a lemon and taking the juice and tossing it with the arugula with salt, pepper. Place the bread onto a plate with the tossed arugula and place your roasted vegetables on top. If you don't like cheese, omit the cheese. If you have balsamic glaze, it'd be a nice garnish for your dish. Once again, this is Chef James at Cultre Brewery and Grill. We're located at 205 East 7th Avenue. See you soon. Enjoy.